We're flying to Atlanta, to LAX, and then LAX to Honolulu.
Requested to go to the vegan spot for lunch today.
Vegetarian, get it right. Not vegan, vegetarian.
Wait, I think it's vegan.
Egg is.
I got a vegan burger. Well, yeah, vegetarian. I feel like when you live here and you're like here for a while, like you just want to eat healthy. In Florida, I just want to eat like shit all the time. It's like the vibe, you know? Like Florida vibe is just shit. So here, it's like it's good and wholesome, so you like want to eat good wholesome food. So we just got a shot. It was like Inception. It was drone, surfer, me flying the drone. So drone filming the surfer. We just nailed it. We got the shot of the day. Can't wait to see it. We shot it on the Mavic Air 2. Ooh, going off out there.
Mama told me to be loved.
Got our sister here, Macy. Brother Kona. We're gonna get some cans. What are we gonna get? The ahi.
We're about to get
ahi katsu?
This is the best fish on the island. This is the legend right here, Ken. Beautiful wife right here. Always cooking up the best fish. Always got us. You gotta come here. You get some fresh fish. You got it all here.
What's the best thing on the menu?
Oh, you gotta go with the ahi katsu.
That's the top seller?
They used to do it out of their house back in the day.
Yeah?
So.
That's sick.
Ahi katsu.
That looks so good.
Medium.
Woo! If you ever come to Oahu, go to Ken's on the North Shore. Don't say I didn't tell you so.
Hands down the best plate. That's all I gotta say.
Sunday, the boy Kona lost his spear gun today. Give us a recap of what happened last night.
Got so fucked up, dog.
That's all?
You need a ride?
Did you have to pick me up? How was I going up the stairs?
You were not going up the stairs.
Not up the stairs?
And saw you on the ground, you know, like just in the grass, you know.
I was just hanging out, you know, just chilling in the grass. Come on, sit. Sit. Drop it. Sit. Sit. No comprehendo. There you go. Ready? No. Try to bite it. Get it. Waimea Bay, bigger wave that breaks out there. A lot of people out right now. There's probably like 30, 40 people out. Fly the drone around and see if we can get some cool shots. Let's go.
Let the feelings take control. Let Let the feelings take control. 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 Let the feelings take control.
Sunday morning is our last and final day here in Hawaii, and we got blessed with some waves here at Pipeline at the Pipeline today, and we're gonna fly the drone, get some epic shots here in a minute. Sun's gonna rise up, wait for this rain to go away, and then we're gonna be rocking, we're gonna be rolling.
Hoping I can make it to the end.